Let's do a really quick exercise just to get our hands dirty and get us excited about the course. What we're gonna do is build our first logo. Now we have a whole section where we're going to create logos from scratch ourselves and learn what the best practices are. But just for now, I want us to have something created right away. And what we're gonna do is create our logo for the product that we wanna build. So in our case, if we wanna build a shopping experience that beats Amazon, well, then let's create that. If you have a logo that you wanna do on your own for a different product, let's do that as well. And what we're gonna use is some online logo makers. Again, this is just the first step. Don't worry, we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty later. But for now, I'm going to link to some resources after this video. But as you can see here on zerotomastery.io, we have a resources page. And at the very top, we have some free logo makers that we can use. So there's 4 options here. It doesn't really matter which one you pick. I want you to click on one of these and create your own custom logo. Now, after this lecture, we're also going to include a bunch of design resources that we're going to use throughout the course, just so you always have a reference and you can always get inspired as we're creating our product.